This is activity 2. This is 5 milliliters of 0% sucrose water. Now I'm adding 10% of sucrose in solution. This is 15 milliliters. This is 20 milliliters. This is 25 milliliters. Now, this is 20% of sucrose in solution, and this is 5 milliliters. This is 20% of sucrose in solution again, but this time it's 10 milliliters. This is 15 milliliters. This is 20 milliliters. And it weighs about 52.8 grams. This is 25 milliliters, which weighs about 57.10 grams. So this is now 30% of sucrose in solution, and there's 5 milliliters of it. And it weighs about 36.24 grams. Now this is 10 milliliters of solution, which weighs about 41.32 grams. This is 15 milliliters, which weighs about 47.33 grams. This is now 20 milliliters of solution, which weighs about 51.76 grams. Now this is 25 milliliters, which weighs about 57.65 grams. This is 5 milliliters of solution, and now this is 40% of sucrose in solution. and it weighs about 36.24 grams. This is 10 milliliters, and it weighs about 41.28 grams. This is 15 milliliters, and it weighs about 46.74 grams. This is 20 milliliters, and it weighs about 52.64 grams. This is 25 milliliters, and it weighs about 58.15 grams. So now this has 50% of sucrose in solution, and this is 5 milliliters, and it weighs about 36.65 grams. This is 10 milliliters, and it weighs about 42.11 grams. This is 15 milliliters, and this weighs about 48.13 grams. This is 20 milliliters, and it weighs about 53.73 grams. This is 25 milliliters, and it weighs about 59.33 grams. So this is now 60% of sucrose in solution, and it weighs about 36.94 grams. This is 10 milliliters of 60% of sucrose in solution, and it weighs about 42.26 grams. This is 15 milliliters, and it weighs about 48.31 grams. This is 20 milliliters, and it weighs about 44.41 grams. And finally, this is 25 milliliters, and it weighs about 59.83 grams. So after doing this experiment, doing activity 2, I can clearly tell that the density increases as the concentration of sucrose increases, because in this experiment, the solute is sugar and the solvent is water, and as the concentration of sucrose increases, the thickness of the solution will increase with it too. Some errors that I might have made are when measuring the amount of volume. I might have not measured the exact amount, so this could possibly affect the amount, or it could affect the mass that I measured when I was weighing each time. When I was weighing the mass of solution plus mass of cylinder each time.